Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel today. Let's talk about a simple leafy green that's super common in our backyards, but is actually packed with amazing health benefits: malunggay. Malunggay might look like an ordinary plant, but don't underestimate it. These tiny leaves are considered one of the most nutrient-rich greens in the world. Yes, world level, not just barangay level. First of all, malunggay is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamin A, which helps keep our eyes healthy and our skin glowing. So if you want that natural fresh look without expensive products, adding malunggay to your meals can help from the inside. It's also high in vitamin C, which is great for boosting the immune system. This means your body becomes stronger in fighting off common sickness like colds and flu. Especially during changing weather, eating malunggay regularly can help your body stay ready and protected. Another big benefit is iron. Malunggay contains iron that helps in producing healthy red blood cells. This is important for preventing feelings of weakness and tiredness. If you often feel low energy, adding malunggay to soups like tinola or mango can be a natural way to support your body. Malunggay is also known for having a good amount of calcium, which helps keep our bones and teeth strong. So it's not just milk that helps your bones. These little green leaves do too. Now let's talk about something many people care about: digestion. Malunggay contains fiber that helps improve digestion and keeps your stomach happy. It can help prevent constipation and support a healthier gut. A healthy tummy means you feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. What's also amazing is that malunggay has antioxidants. These help protect our body cells from damage caused by stress, pollution, and unhealthy food. Think of antioxidants as tiny bodyguards, protecting you from inside. For people who are watching their weight, malunggay is a great food to include because it's low in calories but high in nutrients. You get a lot of health benefits without adding too many extra calories to your meals. Malunggay is also very versatile in cooking. You can add it to tinola mango, omelets, smoothies, or even malunggay patanzel. It's easy to mix into everyday dishes without changing the flavor too much. But your body will definitely feel the difference. Another reason to love malunggay is that it's rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by stress, pollution, and unhealthy foods. Think of antioxidants as your body's natural defense team, helping slow down aging and supporting overall wellness. Malunggay is also good for digestion. The fiber found in the leaves helps keep our digestive system moving properly and can help prevent constipation. A healthy gut also supports better nutrient absorption and overall body balance for people who are watching their weight. Malunggay is a great addition to meals because it is low in calories but high in nutrients. That means you can feel full and satisfied while still giving your body the vitamins and minerals it needs. What's even better is how easy it is to include malunggay in everyday food. You can add fresh leaves to tinola, mango, omelets, or even mix powdered malunggay into smoothies, bread, or rice. It blends well with many dishes without changing the flavor too much. So the next time you see malunggay, don't just think of it as a simple leaf. Think of it as a natural multivitamin from your kitchen. Affordable, accessible, and incredibly healthy. Eating healthy doesn't always have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the best nutrition comes from traditional, local ingredients. We already know, just like malunggay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more healthy tips.